My name is Alejandro and I am 18 years old. And this is my routine. From Monday to Friday, I go to the university, so I get up to the 7 a.m., brush my teeth, head the dresses, and eat my breakfast. I go to the university in the bus, then I see my class until 3 o'clock. I eat my lunch and I go to the Cultural Academy until 8. I come home, I take and I go to the bed. Saturdays and Sundays, I go out with my friends to party or to drink a coffee with the same routine, and I do my homework. Sometimes I go to the church with my family, and so my routine